I'll guide you through how to redeem a Visa gift card without getting your transaction declined online or struggling to use the last few cents of your balance. If you're looking to use this prepaid card to buy items online, get the latest apps, or pay for subscriptions, and so you need to use your Visa gift card's value successfully, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, you need to understand that this card is a prepaid credit or debit card on the Visa network, and you need to activate and register the card. Check the packaging or the back of the card for a phone number or website to activate it. More importantly, if you plan to shop online, you must register a billing address with the card issuer on its website. This links your address to the card, which is necessary for online shops to verify the transaction and avoid a decline. Next thing is to check your balance. To do this, head to the website listed on the back of your card, which is often dedicated to checking your balance, such as mybalancenow.com. It is vital to know the exact balance, especially for online purchases, as most websites will decline the transaction if you're even 1 penny over the card's value. When checking out at a physical store, swipe the card's magnetic strip, and when the machine prompts you to select debit or credit, always choose credit. This is the easiest method because selecting credit bypasses the prompt to enter a PIN. When proceeding to check out with the card online, select credit card or debit card as the payment type, and never select gift card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code. Crucially, the billing address you enter must exactly match the one you registered in Step 1. If you have an odd or small amount left on the card, the most effective way to use the full remaining balance is to use a human cashier. Simply ask them to charge a partial amount, which should be the exact balance on the Visa card. And then you can pay the remaining total with cash or another card. You can also add some Visa gift cards to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay for contactless payments. For advanced balance management, check the description below. Now that you've learned how to redeem a Visa gift card, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more online shopping video tutorials. Thanks for watching.